Hello, everyone. Today, boys and girls, we're going to talk about light. I want to show you some lights around my home to give you an understanding of what we're talking about. Here is a light from a ceiling fan. Here is a light from a lamp. As you can see, I am outside and there is light from the sun. Above me is a street light. It's not on because it's daytime. Above me is a light that comes on when you move in front of it. It's called a motion centered light. Let's see if I can make it come on. See, it came on as I moved. Here is a light on the outside of my house to help me see when it's night. There is light from my computer. Do you see it? Then there's a light in a circle. It's called a ring light. Maybe a little bit hard to see. Maybe now. It's a ring light. I can put my cell phone in the middle of it. And there is light from a fire. See that? And I can light a candle with the fire. Make another light, a candle light. See that firelight? You see the firelight? All the lights that I wanted to show you. Hopefully you learned a little more about lights. Thank you.